Good morning and welcome to beautiful sunny Greensboro, North Carolina, home of Carolina Aircraft. I'm Brian Tuttle. I'm here today to show you one of our latest listings, this beautiful 1985 A36 November 72211. Step in, let's take a closer look. You know, the A36 is the airplane that we all looked at when we got our pilot's license and said, we're going to own this airplane one day. BEECHCRAFT really hit a home run with this one, and in 1984 they made some really unique changes. One being they switched the IO520 engine, 285 horsepower, to this IO550 300 horsepower engine. This engine only has 525 hours since major overhaul by Poplar Grove, and you can see we have some nice Shadin baffling system as well. The 3-blade prop only has 325 hours since overhaul. November 72211 is really a unique airplane. It has color radar. Now, most of these airplanes did not have this. This is a really nice system, especially in the summertime when you're trying to navigate around the thunderheads. You have 74 gallons of usable fuel. That gets you about 4 hours of usable fuel to help navigate around those storms as well. The paint on November 72211 is in beautiful condition. This is Matterhorn white with Columbia blue and tan striping. It also has been ceramic coated, and it really is in beautiful condition. One of the many reasons that people buy the A36 is for the big double cargo doors and the versatility of the club seating. You can see here we have a beautiful tan leather interior. These rear seats, without any tools, you can fold these up, and there's a strap that can hold them in place. There's a couple cotter pins. You can take these out, and gives you a little bit more room for your golf clubs and things like that. This airplane has 1,093 pounds of useful load. The interior on November 72211 is in beautiful condition. As we pan around, you'll see we have beautiful tan leather seating, very nice side panels with some blue accents here. The headliner's in beautiful shape. We have our executive writing table here, 5-place intercom system. We have a USB connecting port here so the kids can charge all of their toys. I am 6'2", and I've got plenty of headroom here, as you can see. I've got my own WAAS for fresh air. I've got my own lighting system. This is a great way to travel. The panel on November 72211 is a very nice IFR platform. You have your standard 6-pack. You have Garmin audio panel, Garmin GTN 750, Garmin 530 WAAS, Garmin 345 transponder that has your ADSB in and out, along with your FSB weather and your traffic. The Garmin 750 has your color radar. You have a nice Insight graphic engine monitor and a Shadin fuel flow as well. KFC 200 Autopilot with heading and nav and altitude hold. This will do approaches down to minimums. This really is a nice setup. November 72211, you'll also enjoy things like Insight graphic engine monitor, USB ports front and rear, LED landing and taxi lights, Shadin fuel flow system, factory air conditioning, 6-place shoulder harnesses, Rosen sun visors, Flightstream 510 on the GTN 750, Shadin baffling, tinted windows, and much more. If you're in the market for an 80s model A36, visit Greensboro, North Carolina. Come and see us and take a closer look at November 72211. This is a beautiful 1985 A36, only 2,230 hours total time since new, 525 hours since major overhaul. It has Garmin avionics, air conditioning, color radar, a lot more. Visit us, Greensboro, North Carolina. Thank you for watching. I'm Brian Tuttle with Carolina Aircraft.